Hello everyone, my name is Harshal Patil. I am from TYB Tech Automobile. Our presentation about the biology for engineer subject. The presentation about the digital thermometer. First, we have seen the group members. Uh, in our group, there are four members. Harshal Patil has enrollment number is 1951006. Second, Girish Shinde, roll number 1951013. Third one is Sandesh Pawar, roll number is 1951022. And last one is Aditya Jaipurkar, roll number 1951026. Let's see content of this presentation. First, we seen the introduction. Second, what is the digital thermometer? Third one is block diagram of digital thermometer. Fourth one is working principle. Fifth is types of digital thermometer. Second is advancement in digital thermometer. Then advantages, application, and last one is conclusion. Introduction. A thermometer comes from the Greek word thermos meaning hot and metron means measure. It is a device that measures temperature or temperature gradient using a variety of different principles. A thermometer has two important elements. First one is the temperature, in which some physical change occurs with temperature, and second is plus some means of converting this physical change into numerical value. Remaining parts will conduct my friend Sandesh Pawar. Sandesh, please talk about the what is the digital thermometer.
Thank you, Arshal. Myself, Sandesh Pawar. Roll number is 1951022. What is digital thermometer? Digital thermometers are temperature sensing instruments that are easily portable, have permanent probes, and a convenient digital display. The way a digital thermometer works depends upon its type of sensor. Sensor types include resistance temperature detector RTD, that means RTD, thermocouple, and thermistor. Next slide. This is a block diagram of digital thermometer. It consists of sensors, AD converter, microcontroller, LCD display. Next slide. Then working principle. Digital thermometers contain a small computing mechanism and a resistor. A change in temperature causes the sensor to notice a change in resistance. The computer converts the difference in resistance into a difference in temperature and offers a digital readout in degrees. Next. Over to Girish. Thank you.
Thanks, Sandesh. Types of digital thermometer. First type is resistance temperature detector. These are wire windings or other thin films serpentine that exhibit changes in resistance with changes in temperature. They measure temperature using the positive temperature coefficient or electrical resistance or metal. The hotter they become, the higher of value of their electrical resistance. Platinum is the most commonly used material because it is nearly linear over a wide range of temperature, is very accurate, and has a fast response time. Next, thermocouples. Second one is thermocouples. Thermocouples are accurate, highly sensitive to small temperature changes and quickly respond to changes to the environment. They consist of pair of dissimilar metals wires joined at one end. The metal pair generates a net thermoelectric voltage between their openings and according to the size of the temperature difference between the ends. Third one is thermistor. Thermistor is a semiconductor device with an electrical resistance that is proportional to temperature. There are two types of products, negative temperature coefficient and positive type coefficient. Next. Advancement in digital thermometer. First one is second technology. The heat sensor is located at the front of measurement tip and thus closer to your body heat source. Design prevents false readings from the effects of room temperature. This technology ensures superior accuracy. Next one is second technology. Being able to scan a large area of a forehead during the 3-second measurement time ensures maximum precision. Thermometers measures 12 times per second and the readout display the highest value of 36 spot measured. This technology guarantees safe and sanitary measurements within only 3 seconds. Next. From here with Aditya Jaipurkar will explain. Thanks.
Thank you, Girish. Advantages of digital thermometer. Digital thermometers provide temperature readings in decimal points for an accurate and specific reading. They are also easier to read than their mercury thermometers. It is faster than the normal thermometer in calculating readings. They require very less maintenance, reliable operation over an extremely wide range of temperature. Next slide, please. Applications of digital thermometer. Medicine, sanitary applications, home use, laboratory, food services, meteorology, automotive industry. Next slide. Conclusion of this presentation. Thermometer is a device which helps to measure the temperature gradient or temperature of human beings by following some principles. Digital thermometers are the developed version of mercury thermometer. They offer fast and accurate results, are economical friendly, and anyone can use them. Thank you.